Jai Jinendra to all. Ms. Vanshika has been recognized as one of the top 15 creators on LinkedIn in 2021. She is a brand creator, builder, and storyteller who has helped more than 100 plus startups to discover their true brand identity, establish a digital presence, and create a loyalty with customers. We welcome you on board, Ms. Vanshika.
Hello everyone, how are we doing? I can't hear you. I need to hear a good, a loud good. Good? Awesome. Awesome. I know all of us have heard of LinkedIn at some point, right? Every one of us has heard of it. Every one of us wants to be on it. Every one of us gets so intimidated every time we open it. But that's okay. I'm here to help you and I'm going to give you literally like a crash course on LinkedIn. इतना इजी कर दूंगी आप सबके लिए कि आपको लगेगा कि ये मैं बाहर जाके ना मैं लिंक्डइन खोलूंगा और मैं लिंक्डइन को इस्तेमाल करूंगा एंड दैट्स द गोल बिकॉज इमेजिन द पावर दैट यू ऑल हैव सिटिंग इन दिस रूम राइट नाउ एंड यू कैन लिटरली मल्टीप्लाई दैट पावर जस्ट बाय गोइंग ऑनलाइन I'm going to begin my session quickly by telling you a story. So, I was born and brought up in Dubai. I started in the US and I came to India in 2018 with no friends. I've never lived here. मेरे कोई जान पहचान वाले है ही नहीं ना प्रोफेशनल ना मतलब फैमिली थी बस और कोई नहीं था जब मैं इंडिया आई थी in 2018 I probably had about 10,000 followers and from 10,000 followers by actively spending time by realizing the power of LinkedIn and what it can do for me today I have over 100,000 followers and that has been a journey. And let me tell you one thing, it's not hard. A lot of people think LinkedIn is hard, it's not. And I'm going to tell you why and how, and we're going to make this a very fun session जहाँ पे आपको LinkedIn का भी ज्ञान मिलेगा और आपको networking भी करना पड़ेगा जल्दी जल्दी से and we're going to have a lot of fun doing this session. Are you all with me? Yes. Awesome. So this is just a little bit about me apart from the story I just told you. I have my own agency. I help entrepreneurs set up their brand. I help them define what their brand is. I'm a speaker, I'm a mentor, I'm an advisor, and today I'm your friend. Forget all of this, today I'm your friend. I'm here to guide you like a friend, and that's the goal of this session. So, like I said, like creating and having a brand is not something that can happen overnight. इरिस्पेक्टिव जहाँ पे भी मतलब आप जिस भी स्टेज पे हो बिजनेस का जितने भी आपके एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं जो भी आप कर रहे हो आपको ये करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज आवर वर्ल्ड इज सो कनेक्टेड ऑनलाइन अगर आप आज अपने आप को गूगल करोगे और आपको अपने बारे में कुछ अच्छा नहीं लिखा आएगा या कुछ भी लिखा नहीं आएगा दैट्स अ वेरी बैड थिंग Honestly, if you Google yourself today, you should have something written about you. And that is something that you can do yourself via LinkedIn, via other channels. It's not impossible. I've done it by myself without any advice. ना कोई मार्केटिंग एजेंसी थी मेरे साथ मैंने सब खुद ही किया है और आज अब अगर मेरे को गूगल करोगे आपको वीडियोस मिलेंगे आपको एडवाइस मिलेगा आपको सेशंस मिलेंगे बहुत कुछ मिलेगा एंड दैट इज एफर्ट इट टेक्स टाइम but it's not impossible because if I can do it, you can do it too. First things first, I think you have to have the intent, right? I think intention and putting it out in the universe is such a big part of everything that even I do. तो मैं आपसे एक चीज़ मांगती हूँ या आपसे एक चीज़ करवाना चाहती हूँ कि आप सब एक बार ज़ोर से बोलो कि I am going to create my brand starting today. Can we hear a big I am going to create my brand starting from today? Louder, louder. We need to put it out in the universe. All 500 of us need to put it out there कि मैं ये करूँगा. Why is this side only speaking? इस side को क्यों नहीं बोल रहा? मेरे को आवाज़ ही नहीं आ रही इस side से. Let me try. Maybe moving to this side helps. Can we hear it from this side? You can do better. Come on. This side was so loud. Come on. Very good. That is the first thing, is putting it out there that I'm going to do it. Irrespective of what happens, I'm going to do it. And it's not hard. What are events without tech glitches? Let's see if this works. No? It's not working. first. Like I said, we're gonna have fun and we're gonna do this together. So I think by now all of the people sitting on similar tables, आपको एक दूसरे का नाम पता, क्या करते हैं ये सब पता होगा. But I think building a brand, building a network, building a name in the market, building anything that you want starts with good networking. And good networking doesn't start with this is what I can do for you. Networking starts with how can I help you. I think that is the base of everything, whether online, whether in person. तो आपसे एक चीज़ मैं आपसे करवाना चाहती हूँ फिर से, अगर आप मेरे साथ करोगे तो. So I want you to go to another table जहाँ पे आपको you don't know the person, okay? I want you to go and just ask that person, what are 2 things I can help you with today? And then I want you to take their phone number and I want you to help them. Because that is really the power of networking. That's the power of all of you coming here today. Please don't ask for complicated things. मेरे को यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी में ये चाहिए, मेरे को ये फंडिंग चाहिए, वो सब very big ask. Small things, small things. I'm struggling to find a mentor. I'm struggling to hire somebody. ये तो regular business problems होते हैं. I'm struggling with this. Whatever you are struggling with, something very simple. Okay, we're going to take 2 minutes. Just go meet someone from a table that you haven't talked to, जिससे आपने बात नहीं की शायद. अगर आप उनको जानते हो तो मत करना. It has to be a stranger. Take 2 minutes. Go talk to the table behind you or beside you and ask them, what can I do for you? And then take their phone number. And in 1 week, I want you guys to be accountable to say whatever you've asked for, and you please also ask. You both are accountable and you help each other. 2 minutes, come on. I see some lovely conversations, that's great. I hope you've done the first part, which is asking how can I help you, and now the other person is asking how can I help you. And let's get this going, let's get some good energy in here. Lovely, lovely. Have we all made a new friend? Yes? Have we all gotten somebody to help and somebody to help us? Yes? Hi. How lovely. Alright. I hope you've gotten things to do this week and things that can be done for you which you've told people already. Yes? Just 2 things, no other conversation. What can I do to help you? 2 things, and then the other person 2 things. And take each other's numbers. Bit of a time crunch, so please, if everyone could just sit back down quickly, let's move on with the session. If you had interesting on, let's get a bit into the technicalities कि आपको चाहिए क्या brand बनाने के लिए. That's a big question that a lot of people ask. And this is a very straightforward answer that this is really what you need. ब्रांड बनाने के लिए ना टाइटल चाहिए ना कुछ चाहिए. You need to just first of all be a good human and then figure these 4 things out. Can everyone please settle down and let's have some silence because it's a little serious. थोड़ा सा serious topic है ये. ज़्यादा नहीं, मज़े करेंगे, हम बातें करेंगे, बहुत सारे activities करेंगे. पर अभी के लिए just give me some time till the next activity comes. Alright. First things first, you need to answer what matters to you. Who are you as a person? What topic are you passionate about, right? To build a brand, you have to put yourself out there before people can come and start talking to you. आपको बताना होगा लोगों को कि ये मेरी expertise है, right? And that is really how you start building a brand, is by putting yourself out there and realizing कि चलो मैं एक CEO हूँ पिछले से 20 साल 30 साल से मेरे को मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छा तरह से आता है और मेरे को बहुत सारा नॉलेज है उसके बारे में. That's when you start saying that okay, this is something that I feel like I can talk about, and वहाँ से you start building your brand. Second thing is what do you bring to the table. अगर आप बस जो गूगल पे मिलता है वो लिखोगे, आपको कोई नहीं सुनेगा ना कोई पढ़ेगा. आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस से आपको चीज़ें बतानी होंगी लोगों को और वहाँ से वो आपसे कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे. जैसे मैंने आपको एक कहानी बताई थी, अभी आपके दिमाग में वो स्टोरी रहेगी. You will not forget it. Same thing, you have to realize that there are things that you have which nobody else has, and that is very powerful for you to bring on the table and put on LinkedIn. Third thing is कि लोग मेरे को क्यों सुनने वाले हैं, right? And a lot of times even I ask myself this question. अभी तक मैं पूछती हूँ कि लोग मेरे को क्यों सुन रहे हैं, but then I realize it's because I have a very interesting tone that I write with. I'm very friendly in person, just as like I am offline or online. And more than anything, I write from my experience. Literally मेरे जो सारे LinkedIn का जो पोस्ट है जिससे भी मैं बात करती हूँ, मैं उनसे कनेक्ट करती हूँ डेली लाइफ के स्टोरीज पे, और वहाँ से मेरा इतना मतलब ब्रांड बना है. अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ आप भी कर सकते हो. And then commitment, like we all said, put it out in the universe कि I'm going to do this. It's not एक दिन, एक हफ्ता, एक महीना. It's taken me 6-7 years to reach to where I am today. It's not gonna happen overnight. अगर कोई आपको LinkedIn के सर्विसेज बेच रहे हैं जो आपको बोलेगा कि आपको 50,000 फॉलोअर्स मिलने वाले हैं, वो सब झूठ है. प्लीज़ उनसे बात मत करना. More than anything, I think you have to understand why does it help to build a LinkedIn, right? Irrespective आपका मतलब करोड़ों का बिजनेस हो या आपने अभी शुरू किया है या आप पढ़ रहे हो, जो भी है, right? There's a lot that goes into LinkedIn and there's a lot of reasons why you should build your brand. First things first is it gets people to know you, right? Like you just did. It's not as easy to do it online, but it's not impossible. Second thing is conversations. जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ पे, मैं तो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ सबसे बात करने के लिए और सुनना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो और कैसे बिजनेस बना रहे हो. एंड ये कॉन्वर्सेशंस जो है ये जैसे ऑफलाइन होती है सेम ऑनलाइन वाले होने चाहिए. न्यू रिलेशनशिप्स, आई नो कि इस कमरे में इतना पोटेंशियल है ग्रो करने के लिए. आप लोगों के मतलब आप लोग अगर लिटरली पूछोगे लोग से कि मैं क्या हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, क्या आप मेरे को हेल्प कर सकते हो, देयर सो मच पोटेंशियल इन दैट एंड देयर सो मच ग्रोथ दैट कैन हैपन व्हेन यू ऑल कम टुगेदर. Trust, obviously, because you have now a brand, people trust you when you're on Google. That is, I think, the basis of trust as of these last years. And social selling is a very important concept, especially for entrepreneurs, especially for startup founders. And I'm going to tell you why. The way prospects, जैसे मतलब LinkedIn जो है या आप जो भी पर्सनल ब्रांड करने वाले हो, इट डजेंट मैटर. मतलब आप ऑब्वियसली ब्रांड बना रहे हो लोगों से बातें शातें करने के लिए और मज़े करने के लिए. मैं तो अपना ब्रांड बनाती हूँ ये सारे इवेंट्स में आने के लिए, मेरे को तो बहुत मज़ा आता है. बट अदर देन दैट ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू डू बिजनेस, राइट? LinkedIn is a business channel. As much as we like to make friends and talk, you have to obviously get along with business. So the way prospects used to be sold पहले is very different than what it is now. Because we're all in such a connected world, it makes it so easy to talk to somebody if you've given them that trust that you can come and talk to me. एंड वो होता है जब आप अपना ब्रांड बनाओगे, आप अपने व्यूज़ शेयर करोगे, आप ऐसे जैसे आप आज इवेंट में आए हो. आई होप यू ऑल टेक फोटोज एंड पोस्ट इट ऑन वट एवर चैनल यू आर एक्टिव ऑन, बी एट LinkedIn, बी एट Instagram, बी एट Facebook, जिधर भी आप हो, आप ये टैग करो इवेंट को, टैग योर फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज दैट्स अ ग्रेट वे टू बिल्ड ट्रस्ट एंड टू बिल्ड रिलेशनशिप्स विद नॉट जस्ट दैट पर्सन बट एवरीबडी एल्स दैट पर्सन probably knows. So here's what actually has changed, which is why channels like LinkedIn and Twitter and personal branding as a concept itself has become so popular. It never used to be this popular because when I was on LinkedIn in 2018, I didn't see so many people on LinkedIn. But abhi I have started to see so many people posting on LinkedIn कि मैं भी थक जाती हूँ लोगों के पोस्ट पे कमेंट करके और फ्रेंड्स बना के. मैंने बोला भाई मैं कितने फ्रेंड्स बनाऊँ. अगर मतलब मैं अभी कभी सोचती हूँ कि अगर मेरे सामने एक्चुअली 100,000 लोग होते तो कितने लोग होते. एंड जैसे मतलब आई थिंक अ बिग थिंग विद बिल्डिंग अ ब्रांड इज़ ऑल्सो कि आप सोचोगे कि बस 5,000 फॉलोअर्स हैं, मेरे सिर्फ 10,000 फॉलोअर्स हैं. बट आप एक सेकेंड के लिए इमेजिन करो कि अगर ये 10,000 लोग आपके सामने आए तो कितने लोग होंगे. इट्स जस्ट क्रेजी टू थिंक कि ये एक्चुअल रियल लोग हैं, people who like us, people who want to talk to us. And that's where social selling has come in. So you can obviously have fun on LinkedIn, enjoy, make friends, find opportunities, but we're all here to do business, right? We're all here to make new connections. And that's why social selling is a very big part of what your LinkedIn journey, irrespective of what part of the journey you're on. And I mean, honestly, I keep saying this again and again because networking is not just I want to do business with you, you want to do business with me, let's become friends. There's a lot more to it, and the relationships that matter. I'll tell you a story. So, I was actually in Bombay last week, and obviously, I have a lot of friends in Bombay, clearly. So, I reached out to some of them and I said, hey, I'm coming to Bombay, I've never met you, you're just on my LinkedIn, can we get a coffee? In just 3 days, Manlo, and I'm talking just from about 12 till about 6 o'clock, I met 9 people in 12 days. Just sitting at coffee, just sending them a message saying, hey, मैं आपको जानती हूँ, मैं आपके साथ इतना ऑनलाइन इंटरेक्ट मतलब मैंने किया है कि आप मेरे दोस्त जैसे बन गए हो, can we meet up? Because there are so many people that I know that I haven't met, and obviously I can't be in so many places at the same time. Bangalore, same thing. I reached out to people who I've been talking to online. VPs of marketing, CEOs, VPs of brand, people who are in sales. I was here like for the last couple of days. In the last 2 days, I met 8 people. Third Wave Coffee, 14th block, SHR was my hangout. कल I was there for 5 hours. I was like, सब लोग यहाँ आओ, मैं इधर बैठूंगी, सब लोग इधर आओ, because everyone was in SHR. And that is how you make friendships. That is the relationships that matter. It's not the number of connects. And I'm going back to that again and again, because that's how I've built my personal brand. So get creating. I mean, obviously you need to set some goals and you need to set some profile. Obviously, like, you know, what is it that you want to put out, which is the technical part. थोड़ा सा ज्ञान मिलेगा, I promise, not too much. बस थोड़ा सा कि आपको profile बनाना कैसे चाहिए. I will keep it as short as possible. So this is some snapshots of what my LinkedIn actually looked like. The one on the right is really what I have right now, but it's gone through phases and it's okay. It's okay to experiment. It's okay to change. I've changed my picture. As you can see, there have been phases in my pictures. मैंने अपना टाइटल चेंज किया है, मैंने अपना जो भी है मतलब जो भी मेरे को उस टाइम पे रेलेवेंट लगा बोलने के लिए मैंने वो बोला. Abhi, obviously this is what it is right now, the one on the right, and it's working and there's no harm in changing it. So first things first, 3 things that I want you to focus on. First of all, the header, which is the top part, which is where you can see that I can talk about brand strat creation and storytelling wala part. Focus on that. Anybody can make it. It's very simple. Just go to canva.com. It'll take you 5 minutes literally to make that. Okay, it takes me 5 minutes. Nobody has done this for me. 5 minutes to do that. Take a nice photo, white background preferably, or if you want another background and you have a really good photo, that works. And your title, which is your headers on top of your LinkedIn profile. ये 3 चीज़ें कर लो बस, because this is like your first, you know, जैसे हम लोग आमने सामने hi, hello, मैं ये हूँ, मैं ये करता हूँ, all of that can happen in person, that can't happen online, unfortunately. So this is the way you actually say, hi, hello, मैं इधर हूँ, ये मैं, you know, this is what I do, and this is why you should talk to me. If you fix these 3 things, that's it. Please try and have a photo that is nice, you smiling, you're happy. No depressing photos, no photos with dogs, cats, kids, nothing, please, just you. Because अगर आप एक group photo लगाओगे, लोग सोचेंगे आप कहाँ हो इसमें. So no, big thing that I've seen on LinkedIn, definitely. Then I think, you know, there are 2 things that, you know, again, which you need to keep answering through your LinkedIn profile and as you write those posts about yourself. First of all is, why should they care about you? आप हर post जब लिखोगे, आप सोचोगे कि ये किसी को पढ़ना क्यों? Like, why should they spend 2 minutes of their life? वो कुछ और कर सकते थे. If it makes sense to you and you answer कि yes, this post is worth reading, then hit the post button. And secondly, what authority do you have? Again, I'm saying, while you might be CEO, startup entrepreneur, sales head, marketing head, जो भी आपका title है, जो भी आप करते हो, you need to bring that authenticity and you need to bring that qualification out. If you're a CEO and you're on LinkedIn, I would expect to hear a lot of insightful conversation from you. I would like to see something interesting that happened. Like, okay, you know, someone from our company has decided to leave, but here is how I kept them back. ऐसे जो stories होते हैं आपके life में, जो आपके life में रोज होते होंगे, वो अगर आप शेयर करना शुरू करोगे, आप अपना पर्सनल ब्रांड भी बनाओगे, अपना रेपुटेशन भी बनाओगे, और जिधर भी आप जाओगे आप लोग आपको पहचानेंगे। और उससे बढ़िया बात क्या है? देयर इज नथिंग बेटर देन वॉकिंग इनटू अ रूम विद फ्रेंड्स रादर देन स्ट्रेंजर्स. Again, I just talked about the first one. Second is the content bit. Content is stressful on LinkedIn because a lot of people don't know how to share content. Content होता है, but content को लिखना कैसे होता है is also a skill, which is why you have people like me and so many other people who can help you take your thoughts and turn it into LinkedIn content. Because while everybody can write, हर कोई LinkedIn की तरह जो फॉर्मेट LinkedIn को पसंद है वो नहीं कर पाते हैं. But there is always help, and there are people like me who are more than happy to help you, as well as so many others who help CXOs and CEOs get famous on LinkedIn. Use buzzwords like, for example, obviously everybody is talking about AI, ChatGPT, ये वो मैंने ये GPT का बनाया है. Use them carefully because आपका reputation stake पे है. If you're saying something, make sure you're saying it with validation and you're saying something that is helpful. And then be ready to commit. That's why I said put it out in the universe. 6 months तो minimum तो आप ले ही लो. 6 months मतलब आपको शायद कोई ट्रैक्शन नहीं मिलेगा, कोई लाइक्स नहीं मिलने वाले, कोई कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. बट अगर आप 6 महीने ये रोज़ करोगे, जैसे प्रथमेश ने भी बोला था, जैसे आपको वेट लॉस करना है, आप एक दिन उठ के करोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, बट आप 6 महीने करोगे तो आपको असर मतलब आपको रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा. विच इज़ वाई यू नीड टू कमिट एटलीस्ट 6 months. आई हैव डन इट फॉर 6 years. वो 6 महीने 6 साल में बदल गए, वो तो अलग स्टोरी है, बट मतलब यू हैव टू बी कमिटेड टू डूइंग दिस. Alright, next thing is to build. So I just want to share a quick video with you which summarizes why you should build your personal brand, right?
As people tend to think about a personal brand as bragging, self-promotion, and all about yourself. But it's actually something much more important. It's your reputation. In other words, it's how people perceive you. Your friends, colleagues, or the general public. And it's what people think about you when they hear your name, as well as what people say about you when you're not in the room. In our connected world, every single one of us has a personal brand, whether we like it or not. This is because whenever we engage with people both in person and online, that's every interaction or everything we post, upload, or comment on, we're creating a reputational narrative about ourselves. Your reputation is already out there. The question is, do you want to be the one who's driving and shaping this story, or do you want chance or algorithms to be doing it for you? I think most people would agree that they want to take control. And what this means is we need to make some very intentional decisions so our brand stays in our hands.
Alright, so content, like I was saying, like I will keep it really short and fun. Content is a big part of building your personal brand, because if you don't put yourself out there saying that I am here, I know these things, I can help you with this, nobody's going to come and reach out to you. As well as when you build your brand, you build reputation. So part of that is putting yourself out there. Content is really important. So I'm actually going to move back a little bit so everyone can see. Who are you selling to? What does their buying process look like? A lot of times, it's not about just the person you're talking to at a company to make that sale or that deal. You might want to talk to someone junior who has a say in how the deal is going to go through. Reach out to maybe say the junior new person in marketing. Have a chat with them, get some insights. All of that is possible and can actually help you make that deal close if you start talking to the right people. Second thing is, what objections, dilemmas and stuff do they have? Your buyer, whoever's going to buy from you, they're probably on that channel that you are on. So you need to answer, okay, what are the 4 things that somebody should look at when evaluating when to update their machinery? For example, right, अगर आप वो share करोगे, एक तो आप अप्रोचेबल बन जाओगे, और सेकंड आप एक सोल्यूशन मतलब आप सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर बन जाओगे उनके लिए, which is again priceless, because if you are here to help someone and they feel it, they are able to have that conversation with you saying आपने ये अभी पोस्ट किया है, मैं आपके DM में आया हूँ, आप मेरे से ये क्लैरिफाई कर सकते हो, आप मेरे से ये बात कर सकते हो. That's how conversations, reputation, brand, these are all built, and it all starts with content. There are so many ways to get content. Literally मैं आपको बताऊँ तो like you can literally get so much content just by keeping your eyes open. एक तो newsletters. I subscribe to every newsletter I find. If you're say a CA, I know we have some CAs here, subscribe to every goddamn newsletter that there is. एक तो आपको इतने कंटेंट अच्छा सा पढ़ने को मिलेगा, एंड सेकंड आपके दिमाग में कुछ थॉट्स आएंगे कि मैंने ये पढ़ा है, कोई नया रूल आया है, कुछ नया कुछ हुआ है, उस वजह से मतलब यू कैन देन टेक दैट एंड राइट योर कंटेंट. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. BuzzSumo and all is a little complicated, but again a good place. Other LinkedIn posts, there are a lot of times जहाँ पे आप LinkedIn पे scroll करोगे और आपके अगर डोमेन के लोग हैं वहाँ पे, वो ऑलरेडी कुछ पोस्ट कर रहे होंगे, तो आप उनके पोस्ट को मतलब इंस्पिरेशन लेके आप अपना पोस्ट बनाओ. Easiest way to hack LinkedIn. Uber suggests and Quora. Quora is again a community platform. Some of you might be on it. Quora में बेसिकली क्या होता है, आपके लिए बहुत ईजी हो जाता है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपका एक क्वेश्चन आएगा कि ये मैं कैसे करूँ, और आंसर्स भी इतने लोगों ने ऐसे आंसर किए हुए नीचे. आप एक चीज़ को पकड़ के अपना ओपिनियन दे के, अपना एडवाइस दे के आप पोस्ट कर लो. सो इट्स नॉट हार्ड, इट्स रियली नॉट हार्ड टू क्रिएट कॉन्टेंट एंड टू गेट आइडियाज़ फॉर कॉन्टेंट. इफ़ यू जस्ट पुट 2 and 2 टुगेदर, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. Again, I think there's a lot of different types of content, right, which is again important to understand. Some content is there to convince कि आप मेरे से क्यों खरीदोगे ये सामान, या मैं आपके लिए सबसे बेस्ट क्यों हूँ, या तो आप इंस्पायर करोगे कि ये मेरा जर्नी है. Can you imagine if all of us just went out and shared our journey, कि हम कहाँ से आए हैं, हमारे रूट्स कहाँ से हैं, हमने क्या पढ़ाई की थी और हम आज क्या कर रहे हैं. टिपिकल स्टोरी इज़ एवरी इंजीनियर हुज बिकम अ CEO. बहुत सारे कहानियाँ मैंने सुने, मैंने इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ा, मैंने इंजीनियरिंग किया, मेरे को पसंद नहीं आया, मैंने टेक स्टार्टअप खोल दिया. And that is like a common thing. I know people who are also in very diverse fields. Like I met someone online yesterday who is a doctor who went for his MBA, quit becoming a doctor and now is consulting medical companies. तो अगर आप अपना जर्नी भी शेयर करोगे ना, वो भी किसी को इंस्पायरिंग लगेगा. You don't know whose life you're going to impact just by sharing. आप अपने दिमाग में अगर रहोगे कि ये कोई नहीं पढ़ेगा, आप खुद ही पोस्ट नहीं करोगे. But if you take that out of your mind and you get posting and get interacting, you never know who you're going to meet and who you're going to inspire. So these are just some different types of content which you should keep in mind. Content boring नहीं होना चाहिए, content ही है, but content boring नहीं होना चाहिए. And honestly, these are screenshots from the last 2 weeks, right? If you think कि LinkedIn पे बहुत सारा time spend करना पड़ेगा, मेरे को 6 घंटे बैठना पड़ेगा, that's all lies. It takes like, this is my entire week. In the entire week, I spent like about 5 hours. And 4 hours, and that is the number of impressions that my posts have had in the last 365 days. 2, 6, 4, 8, 7, 8, 7 people have seen my posts. These are the number of people that potentially even know me. Can you imagine अगर ये लोग मेरे सामने आए? Like I keep thinking about this all the time because कोई लोगों को लगता है कि यार मेरे पोस्ट अच्छा नहीं किया, पोस्ट पे रिएक्शन नहीं आया, किसी ने शेयर नहीं किया, किसी ने मेरे को DM नहीं किया. But look at that number. Like it's just crazy when you take a step back and see कि मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया है. कोई मेरा कंटेंट पढ़ रहा है, कोई इंस्पायर हो रहा है, कोई एजुकेट हो रहा है, somebody is reaching out to me to do business. Whatever your goal is, it's possible and it doesn't take too much time, is what I want to say. Our famous entrepreneur, I'm sure you all know him. That's what he said and I'm just agreeing, so there we go. Again, when you're on LinkedIn trying to build your network, there is only so much physical networking you can do. If you go to this link on your LinkedIn, it's a treasure of people that you might want to know. Maybe you know somebody knows somebody, and you can use this section to really connect with the right people, right? It'll actually segregate it for you. It actually tells you people in India, people in marketing, people who are at your level. इतना smart है AI का algorithm कि अगर आप इसको use करोगे, आप इतने लोगों को जानोगे कि आपको मतलब लगेगा कि भाई मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं किया है. But I'm sharing this with you because this is where I hang out a lot on my LinkedIn personally. And then this is a quick, जो search filters होते हैं, again this can become a very long conversation, but use these search filters wisely because they allow you to find the exact person. If you're looking for a CEO who's in this field at this level, you know, whatever, you can actually search, filter and find the right people. So use this well, it hardly takes any time. When you connect with someone like you just did, please don't go out and say, hi, I'm this, I want to talk to you about this, this is why we should connect. कोई नहीं connect करने वाला आपसे. Actually build a relationship, tell them how you can help them, ask them for a conversation, and that's how you build a relationship. Maintaining a LinkedIn is not hard, but again, it goes back to content. As much as some of us like writing, some of us don't like writing, content is the base of building your personal brand. तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, या तो आप किसी को हायर कर लो जो आपका कंटेंट लिखे, या आप खुद लिख के ट्राई करो एंड यू गेट बेटर एट इट विद टाइम. Again, these are, if you want, take a screenshot of this, like take a photo, because you can literally create posts out of this. Like, I've made it so easy for you. If you're a founder or anybody, feel free to adapt it. Take a photo of this. These are like your next 6 posts beyond, like after you leave this session. The origin story, where did you come from, what are your roots, talk about it. Thoughts behind the idea, like, okay, you know, I didn't have money, this is why this happened. The problem solution story. In my life, I didn't, you know, I wanted to buy my kid this thing, but it didn't exist, so I went out and I created it. This is how I did it. The speed bump story is my favorite. It's where सब कुछ अच्छा जा रहा है, फिर कुछ हो जाता है और थोड़ा सा speed bump आ जाता है लाइफ में, और फिर सब ठीक हो जाता है. These are all ideas for your posts, which you can literally take from here and you're sorted for the next week of content. The hiring story, a lot of founders talk about the hiring story, so that's why I put it in there. And the growth story, you know, when I started out, I didn't have this, now I have this kind of a company, this is how I'm working with people. It's not impossible, right? So all of these are different kinds of content that you can actually use starting tomorrow. Again, there are types of formats of content, so these are some that you can use. LinkedIn supports all of these, all the other channels as well. Feel free to use them, because you should not be boring in your content. The more fun you are, the more people will like to come and talk to you. And these are just some of my posts. Like, I just wanted to show you that, like, yes, there is work, but there's also no work. Like, I wrote a post about the Starbucks cup where they clearly spelled my name wrong. I spoke at Ford School of Management in Delhi last month, I think. So I posted about that. That's a friend of mine who I met, who I did business with. Now we're not working together, but we're still friends. So we caught up for coffee. And this was the conference that I was in at for Bombay when I was there last week. Yes, post work, but also keep it, bring you, मतलब अगर आप अपने तरफ से बोलोगे कि ये मेरे लाइफ में हो रहा है, that is also okay. It's okay to share personal stories. Alright, I want you all to get started, right? So first things first that I want you to do is I want you to promise, first of all, that you will post about this event today. Whether you tag me or not doesn't matter. But I want you to post, I want you to tag Jito, because I know Jito is trying to build a LinkedIn page. And if all of us did that one thing, Jito के पेज पे इतने सारे फॉलोअर्स आएंगे, वो लोग आके मेरे को थैंक यू बोलेंगे, पर वो बाकी बात है. But I want all of you to take a photo, take some photos with friends, take photos of the event, go take photos with Prathamesh, and share it on LinkedIn and tag Jito or whatever channel you're on. That is one way to all come together. And after you do that, quick tip for you all, go back and look for posts that have mentioned Jito, and then go and like and comment on all of them. That way you'll get to meet everybody in this room, irrespective of if you got to meet them today or not. Can we do this simple thing this week? Yes? I want you to post. If you tag me, great, I will comment and like. If you don't, that's also okay. But definitely tag Jito, tell them what you learned from this event, because that will help them to do the next event, and it will encourage them to do bigger and better. That is my scan code. If any of you want to scan, want to get in touch with me, we do run a 6-month program with founders where we help them get through the first 6 months of LinkedIn. We help them with writing, advice, what should you write about, mentorship, a lot of that to build their personal brand. You can just scan that and connect up with me on LinkedIn. If not, I'm here. Please feel free to come and chat. I'm more than happy to chat with anyone over here. All right? Cool. Did you like the session? Did you learn something? Yes? Okay. We have, I think, 5 minutes or 7 minutes of time for a Q&A. So if anyone wants to get a question answered, which would be helpful to everyone, please feel free to raise your hand, and I'm sure someone will give you a mic, and I'm more than happy to answer it.
Yes, there is a question from someone in the audience. Can we pass a caller mic there? I request the sound team to arrange for a mic. Yes.
Hi.
Hello.
It was really insightful of this session.
Thank you.
I had a question. So, how often do you post content? Don't you get bored, irritated? Because I do. And after a point, I stop using LinkedIn. And I do not know how to avoid that.
Yeah, that's a really good question, and a lot of founders ask this question. My opinion is write as much as you can, but write as much as you can be consistent. लाइक आई सेड इन द बिगिनिंग, 6 महीने तो मिनिमम कमिट करो। आपको अगर पता है कि आपकी लाइफ बहुत बिजी है, आप 6 पोस्ट नहीं कर पाओगे हफ्ते में, उसको कमिट ही मत करना। मतलब अगर आप मान लो कि चलो मैं 2 पोस्ट हफ्ते में करूँगा और अच्छा पोस्ट करूँगा और मैं कुछ शेयर करूँगा, दैट इज़ मोर देन इनफ। द आइडिया इज़ नॉट टू कीप शोइंग अप ऑन द फीड, द आइडिया इज़ टू पोस्ट समथिंग दैट इज़ मीनिंगफुल, वैल्यूबल, something that is insightful. So if you can post 2 times a week, 3 times a week, that's more than enough. It's okay. There's no one telling you that you have to post 6 times a week, right? And at the same time, maintain it. If you post on every Tuesday and every Saturday, post on every Tuesday and Saturday for 6 months, and you'll see the impact. Take a screenshot of your followers, take a screenshot of your connections, take a screenshot of what your posts ka reactions look like. In 6 months, you will see a massive difference. If you just go out there and post maybe once or twice. But along with posting, I think it's also important, if you're not very active on posting, you can also comment on other people's posts. जैसे आप say Wednesday, Thursday आप post नहीं कर रहे हो, go and comment on 1 or 2 posts and something where जहाँ से जैसे for example someone posts about I'm stuck with this thing, I don't know how to do this, पर अगर आपको आंसर पता है, आप जाके उनसे मतलब कमेंट करो, शेयर करो, वहाँ से भी आपको ट्रैक्शन मिलेगा। लोग आपके प्रोफाइल को देखेंगे, जिसने पोस्ट किया वो आपको मतलब थैंक यू बोल देंगे या आपसे बात करेंगे आगे। सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट पोस्टिंग, इट्स पोस्टिंग, कमेंटिंग, लाइकिंग, जो भी आप कर सकते हो उतना कमिट करो। एक स्टिकी नोट लिखो और अब अपने टेबल पे चिपकाओ कि मैं ये 2 हफ्ते में एक हफ्ते में 2 बार पोस्ट करूँगा, मंडे ट्यूसडे को मैं स्क्रॉल करूँगा, मैं कमेंट करूँगा। थोड़ा सा कमिटमेंट चाहिए, बट इट विल एक्चुअली टर्न आउट टू बी वेरी गुड इन 6 months.
Okay. Are there any other questions from the audience? A quick 1 minute that we have for Q&A. Any other questions? Okay, can we have a huge round of applause for Ms. Vanshika for giving us an insightful session filled with activities and networking for everyone. And for her felicitation, I'd like to call upon stage Sunita Ji Gandhi, जो हमारे ladies wing की chairman है, बबीता जी और नीलम जी as well, जो vice chairman है जीटो ladies wing से. Can I have Sunita Ji Gandhi, Babita ji and Neelam ji to felicitate our speaker for today?